In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on flight mode on Windows 10 laptop. So to turn on flight mode, just click on this action center in right side bottom area or corner. So click here, and here you will find option flight mode. So just you need to highlight it by clicking on it. So it will be highlight and you will see flight mode is turned on. And when you turn on flight mode, so internet connection will be disconnect with your PC and you will be not able to use your internet connection. So this is the flight mode, and if you want to turn off, so again click on it and highlight it. So click on it and it will be turned off and internet will be connected, and also you can use Bluetooth and another service like location. So hopefully you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. And also another way to turn on flight mode, just click on restart and type flight. So you will see this flight icon, turn flight mode on or off. So here you can turn on flight mode. Turn this on to stop all wireless communication such as Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So all these wireless communication will be stopped. So slide it to on position. And if you want to use flight mode and wireless devices, so turn on. And if you want to turn off, so select to off position. That's it. Thanks for watching.